our backyard.
No.
Look at this, guys. This is awesome.
Most of the stuff is pretty hardy, designed to be low maintenance. Anything that's on the plan is shown at full maturity. So you can see it's not designed to be too busy. It's designed that there's going to be kids running around. Some things could take a little bit more of a soccer ball than other things, right? What is that? Okay, that's C1, right? That's, Brandon Elm, right? Because you guys had some input on what you like, right? What I found, the word I used for a lot of people, I just made my backyard hermetically sealed.
Yeah.
Right? I did a composite deck, did a concrete fire pit, did artificial grass, and I had 3 trees. So that was it, but I could go barefoot, in and out, shoes in and out. If you had like slippers, in and out. There's now no dirt back there other than dust. So that's what I looked at, is this door can just stay open now, and in and out. It is now an extension of the house. That's what I looked at it for. I always put a big putting green in for you too.
Yeah. Look at that.
But you could chip on this, right? You could just slam it back and forth on the artificial.
Yeah, artificial, not regular.
Leaning towards the composite because everything else is so like clean
and easy to maintenance.
Really, I would see this as probably, let's say, 10 to 12 working days. So but maybe the paving crew is a day or 2 behind because their site got held up or a client added something or whatever. Yeah, so that's what we want to do, like kind of be 2 weeks of work. Maybe have it over 3 weeks with a day of delay between here and there. Right?
Some rain.
Yeah.
What would be the biggest machine that has to come back there? Is it Bobcat or do you have to bring something bigger?
Nope.
That's it?
Yeah, that's good. Thanks so much, guys. Have a great weekend.
Can you say bye?
Bye.
I've never seen someone look so relaxed sitting in a wheelbarrow.
They're really comfortable.